Okay, now let's make a Christmas dish from across the pond here on Dave's Cooking Show's Christmas Spectacular. We're going to make some Yorkshire puddings. So, what you want to do is in a bowl or whatever the hell this thing is, pitcher, you want to start off with 4 large eggs. And then you want to add 2 cups of milk. And then you just want to grab a little whisk and whisk this up till both are well combined. Okay, now that they're well combined and everything, it's time to add the 2 cups of flour. Now you want to add about a cup of flour at a time. And then you just want to whisk this till everything is smooth. Once it is, add the other half of the flour. And by the way, at some point you should be starting to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And then you want to preheat a muffin tin. I put my muffin tin on a baking sheet. And you want to add a teaspoon of vegetable oil to each one of the 12 muffin tins. And you want to get that heated up. So that takes about 10 to 15 minutes before the oil is heated properly. And again, you really do have to kind of move. This is not a dish where you can be lazy about it and you can fuck off and do other things. You got to be in the kitchen with this one. All right, let's show the next step. Okay, my muffin tin is ready. And we're going to start pouring the batter in. And you want to fill each one of these to the tippy top. And I did make one mistake. I should have preheated the muffin tin and then added the oil and then put it in for the 10 minutes to heat the oil, but these turned out all right. Oh, and now these are going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 450 degrees. Okay, and thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, these Yorkshire puddings are done. So, from one side of the pond to the other, that's Yorkshire puddings. Done.